This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Gina Dempsey. This home is spacious open floor plan with large private backyard and great for entertaining. The split plan with family room off of kitchen and dining room off to the French doors to enclosed porch with space and room to play outside. Split floor plan and large master with large walk-in closets and bathroom in master. Bright and open. New roof replaced in 2011. For more information, review the details below or contact Gina Dempsey at 321-427-1254.